Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today I wanted to show you guys a free method that can allow you to make upwards to a few $100s a day or a couple, thousand a day, but it takes time to get there. But this method is absolutely free and it works great. So I'm going to get into it. As you guys know, I usually always tell you guys about CPA. CPA is very powerful because most of the time it's a non-recruiting type of deal, but it is cost per action or cost per acquisition, and you can get paid for people doing certain things. So let me jump right into it. Yesterday, just testing things out for you guys to give you guys this information. Uh, I decided to make a post, and it was a real catchy one. This picture here is not mine. I actually found this picture online somewhere, and I know pictures like this usually catch people's attention. I made this caption here myself in an app called PixArt, and you can do that as well. But it says 24.17 per hour online from your smartphone, free to join, comment info. Uh, I posted in this group because this group here has about 700K members. I have another group that has about 900 and some thousand members. So it gets a lot of traffic. So when I posted this, it got a ton of engagement, like literally upwards to 70, 60, yeah, about 66 comments. Okay. And so I responded to all of these people, and there's still a lot of people that I haven't even got a chance to respond to. As you can see, lots of people, right? Okay, so what did I send them? What was the thing? Okay, so this website right here is called AdWork Media. Okay, you can find that in the description below this video. It's an absolutely free platform. It's a CPA platform. Okay, and so they have so many different offers, but as you can see, just today, $1.68, not much. Yesterday, $10. Okay, so just literally started this just to see, if it works before I brought it to you guys, and it does work. So pretty much what I did, okay, is when you go here, you can go to campaigns. Depending on what country you're in, you can only promote things from your country. You could promote things from other countries, but if people decide to go through and it's only targeted towards the US, the link would redirect them completely to somewhere else. So you want to be mindful of that. But when you go here, once this loads up, they have a lot of different things that you can, promote, whether it be something about credit, someone checking their credit score and you getting paid $1.88, uh, upwards to people, signing up for a loan and you getting paid 19 or $20, even if they don't get the loan or not. They can just see if they get approved for a loan or something like that. It's so many things. They got surveys and things. So I'm gonna go over these in just a second. While that's loading up, um, I'm going to show you what I did. So this here, let me go back. I'm going to go back to my editor because I created a Weebly page around one of these offers. So I'm trying to wait till that pulls up. But I created a Weebly page. I went to Weebly.com. I created this simple page, work from home careers. I know people usually are used to a job format, okay, filling out applications and stuff online. So I kind of created this application format in Weebly, and they have it to where once you sign up to Weebly and things like that, uh, they have a survey section right here. You just drag it on there, and you can change the questions and things. So I put their name and their email because it's always important to catch people's email. Ask what's their desired income. Uh, how many hours can they work online? The reason for the money, whether you're tired of working a job, you're ready to work for yourself, have kids to take care of, things like that. And then if you could make money doing any of these things, what would it be? These are, says like filling out surveys. I'll kind of show you guys. Filling out surveys, searching the internet, watching TV, playing games. The reason why I put those was because the offer that I'm promoting, you can literally get paid for doing all of those. And I'll show you here. Okay, so this is called inbox dollars, and this is one of the offers that's on there. And I believe anybody that comes in, I get $1.68. for them signing up, right? Just for them making an account, I get $1.68 for free, and this is free. So I decided to sign up myself just to make sure it works, so that way I know I'm not promoting no BS. I signed up, and they did give you the $5 when you first sign up. They give you $5 to your account, and then from there you can start, earning money doing surveys, watching TV, playing games, just a bunch of different things. And so it was a really good offer that I figured, okay, you guys may want to check this out, check the CPA stuff out. So it does work. So, okay, when I found out it works, I decided to make my post. Okay, decided to make my post. And I usually did this to be make it very catchy, because you gotta in different when you're posting in groups, a lot of people are posting stuff, and you want to make yours stand out. That's the reason why I did this smartphone money picture. Okay, because I know people are attracted to that and they want to see that. And so uh, after they got in, and people started going through the actual program. So when they get here, they sign up and they get $5 credit to their account. So they're like, wow, I got $5. Okay, I already had somebody write me and say they already up to $8. They were like, wow, thanks for the info. And so uh, like one of the best things, they got the scratch and win thing here. And so you can win up to $10, $25, or $100, and then they'll show you, certain winners over here. Like someone won $5, someone won 10, someone won 100 here. And so people can win some pretty big money here. And then as far as surveys go, they have surveys every day that you can take to make money. And surveys usually don't pay. This isn't anything get rich. Surveys. This survey site is actually a good one. The other ones usually redirect you so many times that you don't make any money. This one actually works. Um, you take the surveys for this amount of time. They give you 25 cents here, $1 here. But what I like here is I like the search, because search is really, really easy. You just search the web and they'll give you money. So just say how to build a engine, something simple like that. Okay, you'll search, and then I got one search out the way. So by the time I get to 4, this bar here go up. Okay, you keep going, this bar go here to this money, and then you can do a scratch off. And if you do a scratch off, you can win $10, $25, and all that good stuff. So it's really simple ways to make money on this. So that's what I did, you guys. And then so I pretty much, like I said, I built this just for people to get that job feel. Most people, when they see stuff like, make money here, there, they run away. So when they get here and they say work from home careers, and they see like a job application kind of format, then they're more likely to put their guard down. Okay, they're asking me questions, good. By the time they get here, once they, see the filling out surveys, what they want to get paid for, they click here to the actual offer, and then they're more likely to go ahead and go through. Now, I got a lot of people got redirected because they're not in the United States, and this is just a United States offer. So, like, once you get on here, you go to campaigns, you can go to all campaigns, okay, and then you can just literally search. If you're in the United States, you want to do United States campaigns, so you can go to countries, and then I'll show you guys once that comes up. But you're able to go to countries and things like that. But another cool thing that all of these CPA platforms have, like the CPA Grip, is another thing that I'm gonna do. Like this, I was testing this out. Okay, you can lock up any website, and then people want to watch it. Uh, you can make money off of it. So this is a series called Power. Okay, many of you may know it's a very popular show that comes on Stars with ghosts and things like that. So Power is really popular. New episodes come out all the time. Some people are not able to watch them because they don't have Stars and they don't have cable and things like that. So what you could do is, I know this website, MrWorldPremiere.tv. Power always comes on this, and just a bunch of different TV shows like Love and Hip Hop and all that stuff. So this is something that really good for social media for the people who don't have these outlets to be able to watch. So you can literally lock up this content. When they come here, they'll be ready to browse here. They can still scroll on the page, but they can't click on it until they fill out one of these offers, and then you get paid for it. So you can literally get paid off of things that people want to see that they haven't got a chance to see yet. And you can do this for anything, whether it be music, trainings, anything. And you guys may catch me doing this on my channel as far as, trainings and things like that that I may want to give away for free. But it's really dope, and it's free. All right, so you guys can make money that way. Another good way that people use to make money with this CPA stuff is they build Facebook pages around it or Instagram pages around it. So say I did the survey. Say you can do one that Facebook fan page that says surveys for you or something like that, and you can just run small ads to it, right? And then probably about $5, $10, $20, however you want to do it. When people go in, they fill out their application, they go to the survey site, they opt in, you get $1, $68, $80, depending on, what it is that you're promoting. But like I said, when you go here, you can go to United States, or you can pick whatever country you're in. You can go to categories if you want to, but a lot of these aren't in there. They haven't updated those yet, so I usually go to just filter campaigns, and then you can kind of go through here and see what they have. They do have a couple of credit things that's good, and some of these you do have to request to promote. Okay, so if you want to know all the campaigns that you can promote, um, you can go to all statuses and then go to approved and public campaigns. So these are the ones you can promote off the back. If you don't, some of them will let you know that you need to request to promote it. So like this one, this is your score. This is if someone wants to check their credit, okay, for free or whatever, you will get paid on the third page. So if they make it to the third page, you'll get paid $19, right? So if you know someone who wants their credit, you could probably run a Craigslist ad to it or anything, and then you'll get paid $19 for free. Like you didn't do anything but help somebody check their credit. So just kind of use this, and you can use this in so many ways. Like this is the one I was promoting, and usually the fire by it lets you know that this offer is currently converting well. So usually when it has a fire by it, that means it's converting good. A lot of people are using it, and it's working. Okay, so like I said, guys, this CPA stuff is amazing. I want you guys to crush it. Like I said, you can get this link below, as well as CPA Grip, which is another platform that you can do that. Content locking is what I showed you here, where you can lock up, content. See, they can be on the page, and then it automatically pops up like, hey. And this is just a trick that you can use. You can edit all this stuff. So I put Facebook human verification because see, I'm promoting this on Facebook, right? And this isn't for AdWorks Media. This is for CPA Grip, another platform. But I'm promoting this on Facebook, and once they click the link from my Facebook, they come to the website, and then this pops up and says Facebook human verification, because normally it would just say something like, hey, in order to see this, fill out a survey. And most people want to click out. But if it says Facebook human verification, complete this offer below to verify that you're a human to watch, Power Season 5, Episode 2. They're like, okay, it's a Facebook thing. Since they did click on it on Facebook, and then, they'll go, they can get a brand new, Apple Watch or whatever. They'll click these, fill out whatever, and then you'll get paid, and then they'll unlock the content that's behind here. And you can do that for anything. And if you guys want me to make a video specifically on content locking, comment below this video, content locking or whatever, and then I'll make sure I make that the next video to give you guys a rundown on exactly how that's done. But that's pretty much it, guys. CPA is lit, man. I want you guys to go out there and crush it. If you're not making money online and you just don't have the money to sign up, this is a platform you can use. Another platform as well as CPAgrip.com, and that will be below this video as well. I want you guys to, make as much money as possible. That's what I'm here for. And me and my wife are starting the Wealthy Empire Network. So that'll be available for you guys here shortly, showing you different ways to make money online. But with that being said, if you guys need any help, I have training below this video. I have free training as well as paid trainings. And then also, if you need one-on-one coaching, let me know. If you guys need any other videos that you want me to make, comment below. Share these videos to other people. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.